Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, it is inspiring to hear that we all share the same goal of making the establishment of the Global Blended Finance Alliance delivers concrete outcomes and gives benefit to our people. Blended finance can be a powerful mechanism to respond to global challenges that impact funding flows, and the alliance principles of equality, trust, mutual respect, and mutual benefits sets the stage for a comprehensive cooperative partnership. The launching of the establishment of the G20 Bali Global Blended Finance Alliance is a significant step towards strengthening our public-private partnership. Transparency, targeting social and environmental goals, and working towards healthy societies are all critical elements of achieving the SDGs. By establishing the Global Blended Finance Alliance, we can bridge the divide that separates the public and private sectors and work together towards a healthy economy and environment. This is not only important for countries like Fiji, but for all of us who rely on the beauty of nature and a healthy environment. But at the same time, have issues related to outdated infrastructure like water and sanitations unfit for growing demand. Let us seize this opportunity to work together towards a shared vision and make this alliance an effective platform for economic multilateral cooperation that delivers tangible and lasting benefits to our people. Excellencies, honorable ministers, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to express my confidence in the Global Finance Alliance that will effectively complement the work of the South-South collaboration. This strategic partnership between the South and North, Western and Eastern, developed and developing countries through this alliance will contribute to global economic transformation. I am optimistic that this partnership will advance mutual interests and create a better future for all. This partnership and alliance are forward-looking, concerned not only with the challenges of the present, but also preparing for the opportunities of the future. This requires leadership, vision, and strategic partnership, along with dedication to building the capabilities of our people and a resolute commitment to the cause of development and progress. I am confident that our endeavor will succeed. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you and Wiliame.